really know who came up with this concept of knotless braids, but whoever it is, God bless you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be basically showing you how I achieved these knotless braids. It was my first time ever doing knotless braids on my own self, and I think they came out pretty good. I'm actually very happy with the results, and I think the method that I used is pretty, I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's easier than the methods that I've seen on YouTube, because I've watched a lot of these videos and I've noticed a lot of people make the process quite complicated. These braids, it took me about 4 to 5 hours, and I used 1.5 pack of Expressions Knotless hair in the color 1B, and I also used Gem the conditioner, the hair gel thingy, to kind of like slick my hair. I'm going to try and make the demonstrative part of this video as detailed as possible so that you guys can easily follow through if you're trying to also do knotless braids for yourself. So to start off with, I prep the hair. I basically take the 1 pack of Expressions hair and I cut it in the middle so that I get 2 parts out of it. And then I take the 1 part and I start stretching the ends, as you can see in the video. So the reason why you want to stretch the ends is so that the hair does not unravel, but then also that it looks nice and neat in the ends. They thin out basically, and it looks much neater. So I just stretch the ends, and once you're done stretching the one side, it's gonna look very tangled. But don't worry, all you need is a brush, and then you just start brushing up the hair. I used a wire tooth comb and a diamond brush, and then I just brushed it all the way down, and then it was soft and smooth. And then I clipped off the raggedy ends. Sunrise and those brown eyes, you're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so. So once the braiding hair is all detangled, nice and stretched, I start off by sectioning small pieces of hair that I'm going to be using for the individual braids. And as you can see here, I'm basically using the front camera of my phone to make sure that the back is parted correctly. I just basically put the front camera on video and I take a video of the back of my head and make sure that it is parted correctly. And then I pop my hair into the desired boxes. I didn't make the boxes too small because I don't want the braids to be too small. I wanted like medium-sized braids so that it doesn't take too much time. And then I part into the boxes obviously that I desire. Once I've parted the hair into the desired part, I go on with the spray bottle, which basically just has water, just to make sure that my hair is nice and soft when I'm parting, it doesn't break. And then I go on with the leave-in conditioner followed by the Shine and Gem, just to make it sleek a little bit. I don't really put a lot of product because I don't want my hair to be sticky, so just a little bit of Shine and Gem will do. And then I just massage that all the way into my hair and also on the ends, because my hair is going to be in these braids for like a month, so I just want to make sure that I'm not depriving it of moisture. And then you want to take the box or whatever part that you have and divide it into subsections. So I divided into 3 subsections or 3 pieces. Then I basically take those 3 pieces and start braiding once or twice. So you want to grab the piece on the right with your index finger, cross it over, and then grab the piece on your left with your index finger as well, cross it over, just basically creating a regular braid. And while you're holding that regular braid you've just created with your roots, you want to start adding in a piece of the braiding hair. Make sure that it is nice and secure. The way that you add it in, you want to kind of loop it onto your index finger and then cross it over from the right to the left. Make sure that it is all nice and secure, and then add another small piece the same size as the previous piece onto the index finger again. Just loop it into your index finger, cross it over again from the right to the left. Basically continue that process up to 3 to 4 times depending on how thick you want the braid to be, and just keep on braiding that same way. I'm basically going to be showing you guys this process over and over again. So all you do is just take a small piece of hair, braiding hair, loop it onto your index finger, cross it over from the right to the left, and continue braiding. And from there onwards you braid all the way down. So here I'm just basically making sure that there is no bumps and that there is enough movement on the braid as how a knotless braid should be. So I'm just basically moving it on all 4 sides to just make sure that there are no bumps and the braid is nice and flat. And then you just want to continue braiding all the way down. So like I said, I started this process the night before, so the first clip of the video is obviously darker, but I continued the next morning, and as you can see on these clips that the video is much brighter, so you can see much clearer. So what I'm going to do is basically do the process over and over again multiple times so that you guys see exactly how to do it. It's not that difficult. You just basically section the hair 3 times, you create a small braid, loop the hair onto your index finger, cross over from the right to the left, loop again a small piece of braiding hair, cross over as many times as the desired thickness of the braid that you want, then you continue braiding. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a couple more braids until I finish my hair, and I'm gonna speed it up, but I'm gonna slow down the process of actually me braiding so that you guys can actually see how to do the braid. So yeah, please continue watching until the end of the video. I promise you it gets better. The first parts were a little bit shaky, and I'm sorry if I am not very good at explaining, but I can show you better than I can explain it to you. So keep watching till the end. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If I is a movie, you're the best part. So nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the salad all I take when the head hurts. You're the sunshine on my life. I just want to see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part.
babe. When you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you would. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're the star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, you're the best part. You're the best part. Best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you?
I said I really like how light they are. The fact that I can actually move my head. I don't have a headache. No pain whatsoever while I was doing it. Actually, it feels like nothing in my head. And the fact that you can actually tie a ponytail right after you finish doing your braids. Your knotted braids could never, like, I could never do this with regular braids. I could never. But with knotless braids, obviously you can tie them however you want. That's the whole reason why you have to use your own hair, because then it's like flexible and it doesn't put tension in your hair. So that was it from today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it, and I hope that you did learn how to do your own knotless braids. If you have any other video suggestions for me, please leave it in the comments, or if there's any questions that you have, just leave them down below and I will reply to you as soon as I see your comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. And yeah, I'll be making more videos like this because I really enjoyed making this video and just braiding my hair in general. I do tend to braid my hair quite often, So if I get a chance, I will be filming other videos of me braiding my hair in different styles. I think next I'll probably be going for passion twists, and I will probably film it for you guys. If you have any other suggestion, like I said, just leave it down below. I'm always open for suggestions, and I'm really trying to grow my channel to 1,000 subscribers by, let's say, June, and hopefully at 1,000 subscribers by then. I'll obviously try to be more consistent and upload more videos, so hopefully by June I'll be on 1,000 subscribers. That will make me really happy. But yeah, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, also my Instagram is NOCIE_X. I will leave it down below somewhere here, so follow me on Instagram also if you'd like to follow my daily life. And I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying the quarantine. And yeah, until next time, bye guys.